sometimes can make a difference in which order you compute calculated items and or calculated fields. And here's a great example of that. And then if it does make a difference, if you go to pivot table, analyze field items and sets, solve order lets you change the order in which the calculated fields and or items are calculated. So here we have 3 columns of data. We have a location, Newark or Livingston, New Jersey. I'm from Livingston, New Jersey. Okay, and then we have the type of sale of insurance, life or auto, and how many policies were sold. So we created a pivot table that gives us how many auto and life policies were sold in each city, and then we want to do it by state. So we did a calculated item here on the column here. We want to know what fraction were auto. So we have a calculated item, which is auto divided by auto plus life. Let's look at those. If you put the cursor here, pivot table, analyze, calculated item. Okay, now if I look here, I can see what we've got here, auto fraction. So that's basically auto divided by auto plus life. Okay, now we've got New Jersey and Pennsylvania. If I go here, I can see those. If I go in that row, calculated item, we've got New Jersey would equal Livingston plus Newark. Pennsylvania is Pittsburgh plus Philadelphia. Okay, now it turns out, we'll see in a minute, that basically what Excel did was first do the, we'll look at solve order here. And this is what you can change. So basically it did the fraction first and then it aggregated. Okay, so basically Livingston, Newark, Philadelphia, and Pittsburgh, it did the fraction of auto, 64% in Newark, Livingston, 57% in Newark. Lots of car thefts in Newark. They should insure that more. Okay, and now if I add up Livingston and Newark, this is wrong. See, it took the 64% for Livingston and the 57% for Newark. What should it really be doing? It should add up the Livingston and Newark total policies and then do the auto fraction. So that's what solve order is for. It actually makes a difference here what order you do the calculation. Okay, so roughly for New Jersey, it should be somewhere between 57 and 64%, and for Pennsylvania, somewhere between 50 and 52%. So how do we make that happen? Well, we go up to pivot table, analyze, we go to solve order. Also, we can go list formulas first. That'll show you your formulas. Okay, so there we can see our formulas, and this is the order. Okay, it's going to do the fraction first and then aggregate New Jersey and Pennsylvania. See, that's what we want to change. So now to fix this, all we've got to do, solve order. Okay, so we would move basically auto fraction down. Okay, now that should work. In other words, aggregate the state total policies and then do the auto fraction. And see, now we've got it. So New Jersey is 60%, which is midway between 57 and 64, and Pennsylvania is 51%. So that works. Now you might be wondering, and we might do a video on this later, what is managed sets and it's grayed out. There you have to use the data model and you sort of can customize a set of column headings and or row headings that basically that you call on, and that's what shows up in the pivot table. But we won't leave that for another day.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.